everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Aloo Chaat. If you aren't really familiar with this dish, basically it's a crispy, tangy, sweet, sour kind of potato appetizer. So let's get started. In my pan here I've got some oil that's already been heating. And what we're going to do is take these boiled potatoes. I've got 2 large potatoes and I've chopped them up into cubes and we're just going to be frying them. They're not deep fried, they're just going to be shallow fried. And we're going to keep frying these until they turn to a dark golden color and are crispy on the outside, mushy on the inside. Okay, potatoes are done. I'm just going to take them out. So this is what your potatoes should look like. And that's the sound you're aiming for to ensure that they're crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. Okay, so to this potato, I'm going to be adding a sprinkle of cumin powder. This is roasted cumin powder. And we're going to be adding some black salt, just a pinch. About half an onion that's chopped, a sprinkle of cilantro, a thinly sliced cube of ginger, and 2 chopped red chilies. I'm kind of just going to give it a toss. Next, we're going to be adding in a tamarind and date chutney. If you don't have this, you can definitely replace it with some lemon juice. It works perfectly fine. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, and 4 spoonfuls. And since I have lemon as well, I'm just going to do a quick squeeze of that. That should do good. And the last ingredient we're going to be adding is some chaat masala, but if you don't have this, it's totally fine. And we're going to mix. Okay, and there we have it. Time to plate. And the last thing we're going to be doing is sprinkling on some more cilantro and topping this dish off with a few arrows of pomegranate. This dish is a great crowd pleaser and goes great with a cup of tea. That's what I'm going to be doing now. See you next time.